In this instructional video, we will show you how to use the bus stop tool in your presenter file. You can use the tool as soon as the cursor is active. There are 10 children waiting at the bus stop. You can select one or more children, after which the selected number will get on the bus. If you want the bus to drive to the next stop, click on Next Stop. You can once again select one or more children waiting at the bus stop, and the selected number will get on the bus. You can also select children already seated on the bus to make them get off. Select Next Stop to add to the sum of passengers, or click on Final Stop once the total has been reached. Count the number of children on the bus, select the right amount, and the answer is checked. Click on the eye icon to show the sum of passengers. You can show the sum in two ways with the button above the icon. Open the Settings menu to adjust the number of available seats on the bus. You can switch the sound on or off in the toolbar. Click on New to create a new exercise or Practice mode to practice the exercise. Select what you want to practice and click Start. Copy the number that is displayed at the top by selecting that amount of children and go to Next Stop. At the end of the trip, count the amount of children on the bus and select the right answer. The answer is checked. Would you like more information about one of these tools? Click on the Information button. You are now set to use the tool Bus Stop. Open Presenter and get going.